Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to take a picture of flowers. I would like to share a little bit of my daily activities at home while stay quarantine in Bali, Indonesia. Most of the picture of flower that I made here with a very interesting background. As we see here, I use green leaves as a background. Other than taking landscape photography, flowers, it's also my main interest. It's very simple. I just stay in my garden looking at the beautiful flowers and getting an idea of capturing them. I have a few tips on taking flowers photography. First of all, try to use a fast and close focusing lens. I don't have a special macro or micro lens, so I use my 85mm lens. I know with a macro lens, you will get an amazing result and detail of the pictures. Second, look for a nice subject with an interesting background to get a beautiful flower photo. You will see many of the flowers I capture have a very nice green background. I use leaves as a background, and in most of the picture, I find a nice bouquet. It is go well with the foreground as well. So always try a different angle until you get the best angle to take a picture. Leaves make a really interesting and beautiful subject as well. Some of the picture I only capture the leaves itself without any flower on it. Number 3, if you like, use tripod. This will help your camera stay steady and get more accurate framing. Number 4, how you play with the light. With a soft light, not so much shadow and no harsh bright spot, this will make it easier to get a good exposure. And if you have a backlight, this will make your flowers glowing. I usually taking a picture of flowers late in the day when the sun is close to the horizon just to get nice warm light. Number 5, always watch the weather. When the weather isn't friendly, try to capture the flowers in the morning. Less wind, so this will make you get a perfect shot. Number 6, get close to the flower. Number 7, raindrops will also adding a benefit for flowers and leaves photography. So I suggest you to try it. You will find it interesting. I think that's all the tips I can share here. Every day I make one photos. I post it in Instagram and in my Facebook. I'm doing this while quarantine, so I don't forget to take a picture anymore. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and listening to the video. I hope it's useful. Try it. You might like it. Thank you.